Today I want to show you a technique that I use quite often when I travel and when I do cityscapes especially. That's a technique that I use to have a wide image, just like you would get with a wide lens, but with the nice compression of a telephoto lens. So this technique will allow you to get images like this. It's pretty simple to do, and you have two big steps to respect to be able to do that. So the first step is the one on location when you are shooting with your camera. So in my case, I don't really have a telephoto lens. I use a 18-105 Sony lens, but sometimes on Cityscape I like to have the building quite compressed in the image. So what I do is that I shoot multiple images with the focal length that I want. Based on the scene that I want to have on my final image, I'm going to shoot multiple images. So that can be 3 images, but that can also be a lot more. It depends how much compression you want, how far you are from your subject. So yeah, it depends of a lot of things. Here I'm going to show you an example with 3 different images. So what I did is that I took the base of my image. I'm going to show you just after. Then another image that was just a bit above the base, and then the top image to have the top of the towers, just like I'm going to show you. So you always need to make sure that on each image there is a bit of the previous image. So when you put the photo inside of the software recognizes quickly how the image is supposed to be combined. Okay, so let's jump in the software. Here I have 3 photos. So as I just told you, here that was my base image. So I wanted to have a bit of the street, a bit of this building on the left and this one on the right. But what I wanted to have and to be compressed was the church here with the tower behind it. So then here is my second image. So you can see I have less of the street, a bit more of the church, and then last image, the top of the churches and some sky. So here I have 3 images, 1, 2, 3. My goal was to have a 4:5 aspect ratio at the end, so that's why I've shot vertically and not horizontally. Okay, so here I am inside of Adobe Bridge, and what I'm gonna do is that I'm going to select all of my photos, then I click right, and I'm going to open in Camera Raw. Everything I show in Camera Raw, you can do it inside of Lightroom. So if you use Lightroom, this is exactly the same settings, exactly the same thing you're gonna have to do. You just do it inside of Lightroom, okay? So now I have my 3 images here. I'm going to select them all, click right, and then click on merge to panorama. And then automatically and very quickly it's being merged. Okay, here I'm choosing perspective, projection perspective. Here I can show you what it does with spherical and cylindrical. That's not at all what I want. So perspective. Here I don't usually touch the boundary wrap. Okay, this is what it does. Here I'm not interested to use this option. Auto crop, it depends if you want to have it on or not. It's really depend of you. And apply auto setting, I personally never check this box because I want to do my own editing and my own settings. And then you just click on merge. You're gonna have to save the file as a DNG file. So here I'm going to call it YouTube video. I save it, and here I have my DNG file on a new brand new file. Okay, so you can see this is the combination of the 3 photo that I shot on location. And then here you can do your settings. So let's do some settings here. Okay, there was a snowy day with some fog, so I want the vibe to be very soft. So here I'm just doing a quick raw development just to finish this tutorial. Okay, and then I am going to add some mask. I really want the focus to be on the church and not really on the side of my image, so that's why I am adding some linear gradients on the sides. Okay. Let's select the sky. I want to make it a bit darker, a bit more contrast. Okay, and just like that, I have a compressed image while having kind of a wide angle, which of course creates a photo that is bigger, that has more weight, that will take more space in your hard drive, but it's also a photo with high quality and a nice compression, because that's actually the goal with this technique. So hope it helps. I would highly encourage you to try on your next photo shoot. I hope that this video helped you, and if you want to learn anything else, let me know in the comments. If you are interested to learn more editing tips, want to learn how to find your style, want to learn how to gain visibility as a photographer on social media, you can get 20 tips that I share for free in my free course. I'll add the link in the description so you can register if you want to. That's completely free. And now I see you in the next video.